All right, so today I have the SodaStream collection that we got for Christmas. This is the art collection, and we've been looking for some sort of SodaStream or soda alternative to buying those big bottles at the store, and this is perfect. And it basically allows you to make your own soda at home with all your favorite flavors and brands that you might like, or even just carbonated water. Now, the one we got here came with a bundle here, so you do get the SodaStream Carbonation bottle. It actually came with two plus this flavored bubbly water. And then inside the box, you also get, obviously, the SodaStream itself, and it comes with one bottle. So the bottle's already installed. You can see it at the bottom there. And it's about a liter. I think it's just under a liter, and it's reusable. So pretty easy to set it up. In the back, you pull off the back plate, and then you just kind of slide in your carbonation and then push down. That's it. There's no plug. You don't need to plug it into the wall or give it power. It's a totally manual system. I usually just fill it up with water from the fridge, filtered water. It has those lines, so you want to kind of fill it between them before you start carbonating it. Then you just pop the bottle right into the SodaStream, pull down on the handle, and that's why I like the art edition here. And you can control how much carbonation you want. All the other models have their own way of carbonating it. They're all manual as far as I know, and you can see right there, we've got carbonation in our water, and you can use your favorite soda, pop, whatever you want, flavored water to flavor that soda that you created, and you can control how much of it you're putting in, so you don't have to use as much sugar as you would if you were buying it at the store. You can also get these zero versions or diet versions, and that is it. That's the SodaStream Art. Works great. Don't mind the mess. Christmas just ended. That's the thing with these. You got to unbox stuff before you can use it. So that is it. That's the SodaStream Art. That's how it looks with the handle. This is how I have mine set up in the house next to my coffee machine. It's kind of like coffee soda section here. And if you're in the market for a soda maker so you can start saving money on those liter bottles or 2 liter bottles of pop, the SodaStream might be for you.